K.C. Venugopalji asked about the pay commission. I take this opportunity to explain. Sir, our government has always been sympathetic towards the employees and pensioners' issues. For the first time, this government has implemented the full parity between pensioners of pre and post 7th CPC, Central Pay Commission. Thus, all pensioners of the central government who had retired before 1/1/2016 are now drawing the same pension as employees who retired before 1/1/2016. That's the first one. Thus, the demand of pensioners regarding parity has been agreed to and implemented by our government under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi also approved the establishment of 8th Central Pay Commission to revise the salaries and benefits for central government employees in January 2025. Now, as regards the amendment, I'd like to highlight, just give a brief background so that Honourable Member Venugopal understands why this amendment. The 6th Central Pay Commission, sir, was an expert body that had threadbare examined all the issues, disparities, and even representations which were given by employees before making their recommendations. The 6th Pay Commission report was submitted in 2006. In March 2008, which thereafter, after careful consideration, was accepted by the government then, March 2008. The manner of fixing pension, which was recommended by the 6th Central Pay Commission, was similar to the previous CPCs. So, it was accepted then by the government in March 2008. By this amendment that we are bringing in, the government is actually restoring that which was accepted in March 2008, and the 6th Pay Commission recommendation therefore is being honoured and respecting it as an expert body. That is what is the objective and the aim of this amendment which is being introduced in this. So 2008, Honourable Member Venugopal will know the government accepted it, and it is that which we are restoring today. Yes, because if, yes, I will. No, don't worry, I hear you. After 16 years. Oh, please, no, please sit down. Honourable Member, please sit down, I'll tell you. Why is after 16 years, sir? Several court cases were going on. We had to wait for the verdict to come. And then we've gone back to saying, yes, now all the hearings are over, verdicts have been received. We are going back to honouring the decision which was taken in 2008. But in between there were litigation. How could I violate that? So I'm not misleading the House. Honourable Member Venugopal should please go back to analysing if I've said anything wrong, and if this necessary amendment is reflective of a decision taken during